Bangladesh. Welcome to a South Asian country with more than 1.7 billion people. A country which has more than 900 rivers.
Now these rivers are spread across the country like a web.
A report of Food and Agricultural Organization shows that Bangladesh produces 13.22 lakh tons of freshwater fish, accounting for 11.7% of the global total production. The production has been increasing rapidly for the past few decades. Although the fish production has risen greatly, but there is a hidden problem behind this, and that is plastic. Plastic is a growing concern for a densely populated country like Bangladesh. People use various materials made of plastic which eventually ends up in water bodies. Several news portals and research articles show that microplastics has been found in the edible parts of the fishes. Break Free from Plastic (BFFP), a borderless global organization, published its Global Brand Audit Report, says that in the last 15 years, Bangladesh's annual per capita plastic consumption in urban areas has tripled.
Researchers are also concerned about this fact. Due to the plastic pollution, there is a constant decline in the amount of fishes in the river. We talked with some local fishermen about this growing concern.
In the past, most of the fish were from rivers and fish from fishery were less in numbers. However, the trend has shifted, leading to an increased awareness of hatchery-raised fish.
To overcome this problem, we have come up with a natural solution which can eventually mitigate the problem to a great extent. A team of researchers led by Dr. Morikawa from Hokkaido University has come up with a possible solution to this problem, which is using floating weeds to block microplastics to spread among the fishes. Our team collaborated with the researchers and carried out an experiment in a smaller extent, which turned out to be a success. We took two medium-sized tubs and filled them with water mixed with tiny plastic particles. Then, we added duckweed in tub 1 and observed both of the tubs for 10 days. After 10 days, the microplastics were seen stuck in the duckweed of tub 1. When the duckweeds were removed, 80% of the plastic particles were also removed from the water. Though it was successful, but it is still to be researched if it will work to a large extent. If that turns out to be a success, it can be applied on the rivers and fisheries to prevent fishes from getting affected by these tiny toxic particles.